This was the number guesser JavaScript. They asked us to define some functions. So one of them was the generate target, and that had to return a random number between 0 and 9. So that was implemented there. Uh, then you had to compare the guesses. You had the user guess, the computer guess, and the secret target number, which were defined parameters. The computer guess closeness was defined with the absolute value in case it was negative. If the computer guess was a bigger number than the secret target number, you'd get a negative answer. So that does not define closeness. So you'd have to take the absolute value of that in order to determine how close it was to that number. Same with the user guessness. You have to take guess closeness. You have to take the absolute value of that in order to determine that. If the computer guess was less than the user guess, right, i.e., the computer was closer, you would return false. If that was by definition of what they asked for. If the user was less than or equal to the computer guess closeness, then the user would get preference despite them being equal, and you would return true. And the other function was the update the score. Winner came in as a string, either was winner, was human, and then a human score would be appended with one human score plus one, and computer score plus one, and those are the variables up there, etc. Now the current round number is implemented when you go next round. There's a button there for that, and that's the advanced round there. So that's where that takes place. That's all they wanted for that. It was JavaScript. That was it.